Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to pause location on Life360 without anyone knowing. Okay, if you are on Android, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the settings of your phone. Then you want to search for Data Saver, just right here. Click on Data Saver. Then here, as you can see, you have Data Saver, turn it off. If you turn on the Data Saver, if you click on Turn On Now, this means that it will do list updates on your location. So if you're using your mobile data, it will not do updates to your location frequently. Now, another solution is to go and search for allowed networks for apps. Then you should search for Life360. And here, as you can see, you have mobile data or Wi-Fi. So if you turn Wi-Fi only, this means that it will only track your location when using the Wi-Fi of your phone, not using the mobile data. And if you have set it to mobile data only, this means that it will track your location while you are using your mobile data only. Now, another thing to consider is to use a third-party application. And here in my case, I use NetGuard. So you should go and click on this toggle on or off on the top left side. Make sure that you have it orange and you have it toggled on. Then you should scroll down till you find here Life360. And you can now go and click on these three icons, the Wi-Fi icon and the mobile data icon. And this means that internet is restricted on this application, and all other application you can use it with the internet without any problem. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.